Welcome to Lingala Institute. My name is Jonas Lusa. This video is about some vocabularies from the song Yajan by Madilu System. Yajan aboyi ngai. Yajan dump me. Yajan doesn't want me anymore. You can find the transcript of this lesson in description. Nasengi palado. I ask him for forgiveness. I ask him to forgive me. Nazangi soutient na vie na ngai. I have no supporters in my life. Zanga, not to have. Nazangi mbongo. I don't have money. Nazangi ndako. I don't have a house. Nazangi eloko. I don't lack anything. Naza nango. I don't have it. Now this one is a bit tricky. Nazangi. I have. And the last one is ata. Even if. Ata tokei na tribunal. Even if we go to court. Thanks a lot. The transcript of the lesson can be found in description. Please subscribe if you are new to this channel.